Look at these beautiful potatoes. They are perfect for our dinner tonight. How much for this turmeric?
For you, a special price.
I will take it. Fresh vegetables always make the most delicious meals. These onions are very fresh. These chilies are very fresh. They are perfect for the pickle. The fire catches slowly, starting another beautiful day. Let's get these potatoes cooking. थोड़ा सा नमक और First, we add the fresh potatoes. This makes the flavor perfect. If you like my video, then like my video.
And subscribe to Foodies channel.
Make sure you sweep up all the dry leaves. I am doing that first, then I will cook.
These tomatoes are the freshest in the market, direct from my field this morning.
They look wonderful. I'll take a few more. Every day, the garden provides. These are very spicy today. First, we add the fresh sliced onions. This is how we make perfect pakoras. First, we add some fresh onions and a pinch of turmeric. Welcome to my traditional kitchen. Today we are preparing a special meal. Fresh and hot, straight from the fire. You have to try some. Welcome to our cooperative, where we grind spice with love and pride. Let us grind this fresh batch together. We take pride in our pure and fresh spices. This cooperative changes.
ये बहुत स्वादिष्ट है।
हाँ, तुम्हें पसंद आया?
बिल्कुल। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद है तो मेरी वीडियो लाइक करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।
सब्सक्राइब करना मत